Welcome. In this session, we will explore how to retrieve the names of all function properties from an object. This includes both its own properties and optionally inherited properties. This task is essential for debugging, logging, or dynamically working with objects. This task is common in JavaScript for identifying available methods on objects, whether they are direct properties or inherited from a prototype chain. This code uses key JavaScript methods to retrieve and filter property names. It conditionally includes inherited properties by checking the inherited flag and appending prototype keys to the results. Here's how it works. The program begins by checking whether the inherited flag is true or false. Based on this, it retrieves either the object's own properties or both own and inherited properties. The next step involves filtering out non-functional properties, leaving only those that are functions. Finally, it returns the function names as an array, which can then be used for debugging, introspection, or dynamic method calls. The table summarizes how the function behaves based on the inherited argument. By default, only own function properties are included, while setting inherited to true adds prototype functions like C. The use of ES6 features simplifies the code significantly. The spread operator allows seamless merging of arrays, while arrow functions make the code more readable. This utility has practical applications, such as debugging and verifying API objects. By dynamically inspecting function properties, developers can create more robust and dynamic solutions. In summary, this program is a handy tool for exploring objects in JavaScript. It combines simplicity with flexibility, allowing developers to include or exclude inherited properties as needed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.